Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Stocklabs. We've made it to the midpoint of the year. So, last day of June is today, month end. It's time to check back in on the Stocklabs Quant. So, again, this is a portfolio that uses quantitative methods to make allocations. It's run by the fly. He basically rebalances it once a month on the first of the month and then just lets it do its thing until the first of the next month. So pretty simple. There's a video on the process involved in choosing stocks. You can go find that if you're curious. For now, we're just going to review the performance. So what do we have? This month, these are the holdings that got placed in there on June 1st, as you can see on the right-hand side. 20 stocks, so we have a second page with some on there. And if we look at the month to date, minus 2 bips. So sad trombone for the fly. He couldn't eke out a green month. As far as P&Ls go, top performer of the portfolio was Crocs. Kind of a weird stock to have be your best performer. I don't know. Then Apollo and KKR, pretty good. 5 and 9%. Bunch of stuff up 3-4%. And the drags on the portfolio, were some big ones. Not big, but for a month. -7, -9, -10, -12 down at the bottom. So that was really the drag to keep the overall portfolio around unchanged. Year to date, up 24%. So solid year still so far, beating any of the indexes. I think the S&P is up about 15% for the year. Qs and the Dow a little less, maybe 13-ish percent. So you really can't complain. 24% on minimal work. You just run, he runs his screens on the first of the month, makes the picks, swaps them out, lets it go, and that's it. So what more could you really ask for? Let's see, the breakdown tab. So year to date, overall portfolio is basically at year to date highs, and 1 year, this is actually showing the all-time chart for this portfolio since it just started in September. So again, basically up along these highs. Okay. So it'll be interesting what gets swapped out tomorrow. Tomorrow being July 1st, so it's rebalance day. And presumably a lot of these are going to change over because it seemed like the market changed over the course of June. It sort of went from a real economy, financials, banks, economically sensitive stuff to more of a tech first preference. I mean, the NASDAQ crushed everything this month. I think it was up 6% at least, maybe. Everything else, not even 2%. So you really had outperformance in tech. So I would assume that a lot of the scores and metrics for tech stocks in the screener will possibly have made big enough moves to maybe start getting included a little more in this portfolio. But we'll find out tomorrow. So yeah, up 24% year to date. If you compare that to 15% for S&P and your Chamath, you're going to say that you're outperforming by 60%. So congrats to the fly, crushing the market by 60% so far year to date. That's it for now. We'll check back in at the end of July, and hopefully, it's an up month instead of a flat month. Talk to you guys later. Bye.